gonna go find Will and go to some mines. It might be muddy as shit, it might be dry. We shall see. I'm still kind of hungry though. I didn't get a snack, so might have to hit something up. Ooh, look, we got a deer. Oh, don't. Okay, that's pretty. Hi, Mr. Deer. It's pretty dark out, honestly. These clouds are cloudy, believe it or not. Woo! You saw that. Just ignore it. Looking for our buddy, so y'all keep an eye out. Oh my goodness, why is everybody driving today? Oh my goodness. Buddy. It's kind of chilly today. It's kind of chilly today. It's crazy. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. McDonald's. That feels alright. We use some like gum or smokes. You know what I mean? I guess I do have some Zenicinis I could smoke or consume. But I'll do it later. We'll be alright. Be alright. Close looks clear. I was a little worried about that red car coming in here. We should be good. See what way Will's taking. That looks hard. Fuck that. I'm going this way. The grass is your friend. That silt, you just slide. Boom, 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 boom. Look at all these tires. All these people are just throwing their shit away. Shame on them. Sometimes you just can't follow them, you know? They just go a little slow. A little too slow. We're exploring today, boys. Maybe find some cool jumps and shit. Well, I guess he made the decision for us. We're gonna change our earbuds into our pocket and then take a Zennicini. You know what I mean? Little Zenaroni. Look at that. Look at the man. Oh shit, the neighbors. Fuck. Do they see us? Maybe not. Well, about ready?
Some Chinese and
yeah, it's gonna eat breakfast. I ate a can of mussels.
Mussels?
Yeah, that was my morning. They're good. Or smoked oysters or whatever. I don't fucking know. They're good. First try. We're gonna try to avoid the mud a little bit. gonna go left. He's gonna go right. Oh no, he just sent it. No way. I don't want to power wash my bike again. A little bumpy. Yeah. Woo! Alrighty. You know, I don't trust that either. Yeah, that'd be fun to go through. Either it can go up or down. Down's pretty cool though. There's a lot of like little jumps and shit. But yeah, we're just taking it easy today. Like I want to go past them because I like to send these. But whee! Good little bunny hop. Nothing special. Gosh, I haven't been back here in so long. Not much has changed, luckily, you know. No one's ever out here. Well, let's see if we can get something on this. Let him pass first. Oh, come on, Will. You gotta go faster than that, man. Nope. Ooh, those are too big. They're fun the other way, but going down them, yeah, fuck that. Oh, we'll have to hit them coming back. They're so much fun. Get some mad air on those. Look how sketchy that is. Oh my goodness. At one point, this was a flat road. Water said otherwise. So here's our secret getaway. So be quiet about it. Don't tell anybody. It's a secret between me and you. So secret, it has tracks going to it. Oh, that's a little drop. Not bad though. It's a little overgrown since last time I've been here. Well, this is a drainage canal. Oh my goodness. Be careful there, Will. I don't know what just happened. Alright, he's good. Whew. Wow, this grass is actually making it really fucking hard to get through here. Normally there's like no grass. Nice open. It's all dry. We're chilling. Whee! So the only problem about this way, sometimes there's big ass boulders. Oh, like that was a little rock. But you know what I mean. So it's definitely oh my gosh, what's up with this grass, dude? Gotta work on your clutch control through this shit. But yeah, you'll randomly just hit a fucking rock. I've seen my buddy fly like 5 feet in the air. He didn't get too hurt, so that shit was hilarious. You know the rules, you can laugh about it later. I need to get him back on a bike. Not too much into it, but it's hard to find people that want to ride with you, you know what I mean? And shit, everywhere you gotta go, it's money, you know? Luckily here, it's like, I mean, we're not supposed to be here, but it's free, you know. You know the rules. This is state-owned though, so hopefully we don't get too much in trouble. It cuts through a lot of our neighbors' properties though, but most of them are cool with us. Most of them don't know, you know, you just can't really see us in here. They are the type to pull out a shotgun though, so gotta be a little respectful. Whee! Look at all these fucking little jumps. Oh my goodness. This looks so much fun. But you can't send anything because you can't see it. Oh my gosh. Whee! Alright, I'm pretty sure if I crawl up here, it gets a little bumpy. Sometimes you can just float it. Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna stand up for this. We'll see if Will gets stuck. This shit's hilarious. Kinda gotta, just hope for the best. Hope your tire doesn't get stuck going high. Oh, I just see big old potholes. Please don't fall on one. Oh, dude, wasn't even hard. We just sent that. Alright. Now, the tricky part is getting out of here and not getting seen. Look at all those big ass branches and shit. Whee! Ooh, big hole. Should we wait for it, Will? I guess we can be courteous. And he made it scot-free. We're chilling. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's just a small cruise. No high speeds. We're just putting around. Low RPM. Hopefully the sun comes out, we can rip it up a little bit, but yeah. Tomorrow we'll get a good day of riding though, so I'm not too sad. Big old rocks though, oh my gosh. You can easily mess yourself up if you don't know how to ride over rocks. Y'all should practice that though, some flat fields, you see a little boulder, hit that shit on purpose, try not to fuck yourself up. It's good practicing the event you do while not realizing it. Feels weird when your front tire shifts out from underneath you. Alright, so this is our little exit plan. We come up here, turn around and do a little hill climb up one of these banks, but as you can see they're covered in rocks. So, oh, that was a big rock. Yep, just like I was saying, guys. Practice so when you're not paying attention like me, it doesn't fuck you over. Just turn around and whee! Well, that was fun. There is a car. Let's hope that Will can just get up here with no problems. Oh, look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. Alrighty. One car saw us, but like I said, we're out of here. Oh, wow. Do you see that death wobble a little bit? We got a little smoke screen going on. Alrighty. We'll head home, fuel up Will's bike, maybe do some shit around the house. But it was a good little ride. Thanks for y'all coming with me.